Hey guys, and welcome to my car camping setup. This is my setup. This is what has allowed me to just take my vehicle out to BLM land or national forest and just go explore. I can pull right into a spot, set up my bed, and I'm good to go. This actually wasn't that hard to build. I've had no previous building experience really. Like my mom and dad were pretty good at building stuff and I helped them a little bit. So I kind of had an idea, but I did this all on my own and it was only about, I think like 120, 150 bucks to do the whole thing. And then I started adding stuff like this blanket and other things along as I went. So if you're interested to see how I built this, I'll link that video down below in the description. But let's give you the tour. All right, let's get into it. So we got the bed, obviously the easiest part to see. But underneath here, we have two things of storage. So on this right one, I have this huge tote, which has an assortment of supplies from cooking stuff to mugs, hot chocolate, first aid kit, a towel. So that's that. Just to give you guys a closer look of what's in the tote. You can see cast iron pan, mug, hot chocolate and forks, first aid, paper towel, some other bits and bobs too, like spatulas and other things. Then on this left side, I have my propane stove. Now this thing has been incredible. You guys have probably seen this a lot on my channel from my ski videos to camping videos and everything. So cook all kinds of stuff on here. Super nice, could not recommend this enough. Then behind the propane stove, I have a littler tote where I keep some more cooking stuff. You can see my propane's in here, olive oil, salt and pepper, some hand sanitizer, little packets of hot sauce, extra caps for propane, extra caps for my water bottle, things like that. And that's it for the back storage. When I'm driving and this bed is folded up, I do stuff some blankets and pillows under there too, but other than that, that's about it. Now if we come to the side, there's another piece of storage down here. Right now I have a blanket in there, my hat and gloves. There's another chair back there. And then the door is actually super nice for when you're sleeping. I keep a book in this lower one. Then I put my phone right in the door handle area, as well as like my headlamp and other things when I'm sleeping. Then in front of the seats underneath, I have a little cooler here. There's plenty of storage space. There was some firewood here, but I used that last night. It is important to note that my seats are pushed all the way forward so this bed can fit in here. I have to set it up every time I get to camp, so. Now for some details of the actual bed, I have a blanket I got from REI here, just kind of a throw blanket underneath that. Then I just put a sheet over the top of this foldable mattress that I got from Amazon. Now this thing works great because I need to fold it up when I'm driving so I can put the seats back, so it folds into 3 different pieces. I just have 2 pillows I think I got from IKEA with some standard pillow covers on top of them. I'm at the back again. Now there is a little storage on the side to stuff things. I always keep a pair of winter boots in my car. They're stuffed over there. On this side, I have my sleeping bag for those extra cold nights. And then I just have a canvas bag full of some random food items. And there's some toilet paper in there too. Then on this side, got my hiking backpack ready to use where I'm going hiking today. I got just a stuff sack full of my clothes. Then you can access the same storage from this side too. Then also, I put up these string lights I got from Amazon. They're battery powered. Super nice to turn on at night. I was using them to read, but they're great. Last couple of pieces of gear I have this aluminum camping table, which is great because I can put my stove on it without worrying about it burning or melting. And then I have camp chair and a water jug. Now there's not really any sources of water around here that I can filter, so I gotta bring this jug with me. And just a quick look, my seats are forward now. This is folded back up. And I've packed up my mattress and other stuff ready to go. That's really everything, just a quick overview of what I bring in my car camping setup. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or things you want to know. Any ideas you guys might have, just drop a comment down below. I'd love to cover anything in here more in detail. Because honestly, the goal is just to get out there and explore. Like, I want as many people to experience that as possible because I'm having so much fun out here. But yeah, thanks for coming to check out the tour. If you're interested in the build, again, that's linked down below in the description of me putting this whole thing together. But I will see you guys in the next video.